Hi, Nora Elder here from the Advisa Client Success Team, and I'm here with the second of 3 short videos about the cognitive assessment and how it can be used in the hiring process. This video is specifically about how to use a candidate's cognitive results against a job benchmark. So let's jump in. First things first, we would need to get clear on the cognitive requirements of a role or position. We can use this target score as a benchmark to create a cognitive fit score for a candidate. The fit score is a way to rank candidates and not cut them. Candidates should not be cut based on their cognitive score. It's a best practice for your organization to have a cognitive benchmark in place for a role. You can create this by completing a job assessment in the new platform or using the target scoring guide. This target score, when compared to the candidate's actual cognitive score, allows you to create a fit score that can be used as a data point in the hiring process. If a person's cognitive score hits the target score or is higher, you would give them a 100% cognitive fit score. They don't get extra points for scoring above the target. If a candidate doesn't meet the target score, you would decrease their fit score by 10% for every 10 points they are away from the target. You can see the fit score calculations in the graph shown on the screen. This fit score will be an additional data point in the hiring process. If you don't want to redo the job assessment, you can use the target scoring guide to get the concrete benchmark. These benchmarks are based on the norms or averages for certain job functions. Remember, these are averages and they are not cutoffs. Because it is an average, out of 100 candidates, 50 would score higher and 50 would score lower. So in other words, if you used this as a cut score, 50% would automatically fail. That's way too severe and creates a lot of room for error by cutting potentially great job candidates. Again, we use these numbers as a benchmark to rank, order, or prioritize candidates. If you don't have your own data on the cognitive demands of your roles, you can use the target scoring guide as a starting point. You should track candidates and performance over time so that you can end up using your own data to create target scores. Cognitive is one data point that needs to be put into the context of a role and not used as a standalone. Different roles require different cognitive demands, and we need to remember that a cognitive score goes hand in hand with the target score of a role. Thank you so much for listening. Please visit our client resources page to find more videos like this, as well as other resources like the target scoring guide. Tune in for our last video on 5 best practices for using the cognitive assessment, and thank you so much for watching.